Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. I haven't posted in 4 weeks, so I know. I am back now. I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial today using the Mandalorian The Child palette by Colourpop Cosmetics. I am so sad season 3 is over, but I can't wait for season 4. This is my favorite show ever, and if you guys haven't watched The Mandalorian yet, this is your sign. You have to watch it. It's so good. So today I'm just doing a really pretty green look. Green is my favorite eyeshadow, okay? I just love it. Taking the shade Just Like a Tatooine and putting that in the crease. This is going to be my transition color of the day. Now I'm going into the shade Little Frog. This is actually one of my favorite colors ever. It's so pretty. And this is going in the crease and in the outer V. And I'm just like slowly building this color up, you know, going back and forth, nothing crazy. I'm picking up the shade Droid Protocol. This is a really pretty brown. I'm so glad that they picked this for this palette. I know it's something so simple, but sometimes, you know, browns can be a little too cool, a little too warm. This one is perfect. So I'm just going very lightly back and forth. I kind of want this to be like a wearable daytime look, and it's also springy because I'm using those greens. So here for all of the lid, I'm taking the shade Sippin' Soup. This is such a pretty green. I just love this palette, guys. I can't help it. So at first, I layered it with my finger, and then I kind of went in with some detail with that flat brush. And then for the wing, I'm using the shade Float Your Crib, and this is actually my favorite olive green color ever. I use this all the time. So I'm just doing a little wing, and then of course I'm going to clean up my edges with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So yeah, if you guys have problems with eyeliner, just clean up the edge just like that. I use a flat brush, and I swear it always comes out looking nice and lifted. Look how lifted my eyeshadow looks. So this this is the Givenchy Prisme Libre loose powder. You guys got to give me a break, okay? I'm a little rusty. So I'm just setting that concealer with that, and then I am gonna go ahead, line the outer half of my lower lash line with that green so it ties into my eyeliner, and then I'm blending that out with our transition color, which was Just Like a Tatooine. Now I'm using Precious Cargo, and this is going to be an inner corner highlight just to like brighten things up a little bit. And then I am going to go in, no lashes today, guys. I'm going to be using my favorite mascara duo. First off, I do L'Oreal Telescopic to separate and also lengthen. And then to kind of give a little bit of volume and to clump up my lashes like in a good way, I use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And then boom, we are done. Look how pretty this is. Daytime appropriate, perfect for spring, so easy. You can't go wrong with it. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, I'm having a vlog coming up. I'll let you know what I've been up to. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.